Okay, good morning.
Hello.
Our verse for today is found in Joshua chapter 1, verse 8. Pero before that, turo ko muna yung mga words na may sign. So yung keep, ganyan. Keep, keep. Okay? Tapos yung book of the law. Yung law, alam na natin. Law. Okay. Always on
I
your
even know
lips.
the
Yung
action.
lips niya, ganyan. Around your lips lang talaga. Always like this. And then lips. Okay, yung meditate, ganyan. Meditate.
Paano yon,
Meditate.
Teacher Beth? Yung
Parang
kamay?
dalawang ganyan, tapos nakababa lang.
True.
Ginaganon mo. Yung parang sa yoga, nagme-meditate sila. Ganyan, no? Can you see,
Okay.
teacher?
Uh-uh.
Okay. Meditate on it. Yung day, letter D, day. And then yung night. Pinasok mo sa ilalim. Night. Okay? That
Nice.
you may be careful, parang victory, tapos pump, careful to do everything. Everything, alam na rin natin to. Okay? Written, parang nagsulat lang in it.
Teacher Beth,
Okay? Yes.
Teacher Beth, can you repeat? Ayan po, be careful.
Yung careful lang, careful. Ganyan. Parang scissors na magbabump. Careful.
Victory, ha? Letter
Oh,
V.
victory. Okay, victory. Let's try all together.
Mhm.
Joshua 1, verse 8a. Keep this of the law, okay, always on your lips. Meditate on it day and night, so that you may be careful to do everything written in it. Joshua 1, verse 8a. Okay.